Eliminate moisture and mold instantly. The simplest and strongest DIY solution. Do you have mold in your home? It's not just an unsightly stain. Mold can silently damage your home and harm your health. Mold thrives in damp environments and can cause serious issues for people with allergies, asthma, or respiratory sensitivities. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful, natural solution to banish mold from your walls and protect your home and health. In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to combat mold for good, naturally and effectively. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever faced issues with mold or dampness, you know just how frustrating and stubborn these problems can be. Mold isn't just an eyesore. It's a real threat to both the structure of your home and your family's well-being. The good news? I'm about to share some simple, powerful remedies that will help you tackle this issue head-on. Why is mold such a big deal? Mold grows in areas with high moisture levels. Think bathrooms, kitchens, basements, or any space with poor ventilation. Left unchecked, mold can damage paint, wooden surfaces, and even your walls. Even worse, mold exposure can lead to serious health problems, especially for individuals with allergies or asthma, making your home uncomfortable and potentially unhealthy. But don't worry. Today, I'm sharing a powerful, natural solution to eliminate mold and prevent it from coming back. First, let's start with some essential tips to help reduce moisture and prevent mold in the first place. Essential tips to reduce moisture and prevent mold growth. 1. Use a dehumidifier for damp rooms. If your walls are already damp, using a dehumidifier will lower the moisture in the air, making it harder for mold to thrive. As a bonus, at the end of this article, I'll show you how to make your own moisture absorber with common household ingredients. 2. Keep your windows open for good airflow. Opening your windows regularly encourages airflow, reducing humidity and allowing trapped moisture to escape. This is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to prevent mold from forming. 3. Use fans in the kitchen and bathroom. When cooking or showering, make sure to use ventilation fans to prevent steam and moisture buildup. These high humidity areas are mold's favorite places to thrive, so keeping them dry is essential. 4. Avoid placing furniture too close to walls. Allowing air to circulate freely prevents moisture from becoming trapped. When furniture is pushed up against walls, it can block airflow, encouraging mold to grow in hidden spaces. Now that you know how to keep moisture at bay, let's dive into the natural solutions for removing mold and preventing it from returning. I've got 2 incredible remedies to share with you. One to eradicate mold completely, and another to reduce moisture and prevent mold from coming back. DIY Mold Remover. Natural solution number 1. This remedy is ideal for removing mold and works for both light and dark-colored walls. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 200 milliliters lemon juice, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, or 1 tablespoon chopped cloves for darker walls. Cloves contain eugenol, which is excellent for stopping mold growth and adds a pleasant scent. Lemon juice is a natural antibacterial, and when combined with garlic's antifungal properties, it creates a potent mold-fighting solution. Instructions: mix the ingredients together and let them sit for about 2 hours to combine fully. Strain the mixture through a cheesecloth to create a smooth spray. Spray the solution directly onto the mold-affected areas and let it sit for 20 minutes. Wipe the area clean with a cloth. You'll be amazed at the results. This natural solution effectively kills mold and leaves the area smelling fresh. DIY Moisture Absorber. Natural solution number 2. To prevent mold from coming back, reducing the humidity in your home is crucial. Here's a simple homemade moisture absorber you can place in any room to keep the air dry. Ingredients: a small bowl, uncooked rice or salt, a few cloves and bay leaves, Rice and salt absorb excess moisture from the air, while cloves and bay leaves provide a pleasant fragrance. Instructions: fill the bowl with rice or salt and add a few cloves and bay leaves. Place the bowl in a room with high humidity, such as a bathroom, basement, or closet. This simple method keeps the air drier and makes it harder for mold to grow. Additional tips to maintain a mold-free home. Mold prevention doesn't stop with these DIY remedies. Here are a few extra steps to keep your home mold-free for good. Use mold-resistant paint. Mold-resistant paints are available for areas prone to dampness, such as bathrooms and kitchens. This is a great preventive measure if you're painting or renovating. Fix leaks promptly. Mold loves water, so if you have any leaks, whether from pipes, windows, or the roof, it's crucial to repair them as soon as possible. Monitor indoor humidity. Use a humidity meter to keep track of moisture levels. Ideally, indoor humidity should be below 60% to prevent mold. How mold impacts health and why these remedies work. Living with mold is more than a nuisance. For those with respiratory issues or allergies, mold can worsen symptoms and lead to chronic discomfort. Kids, elderly individuals, and those with weakened immune systems are particularly vulnerable to mold-related health problems. By using natural, safe ingredients, you're creating an environment that is less conducive to mold growth without exposing your home to harsh chemicals. In conclusion, take action and breathe easy. With these natural remedies, you're equipped to tackle moisture and mold in a safe, effective way. From reducing moisture to applying natural mold killers, each step in this guide helps create a fresher, healthier home environment. Remember to regularly ventilate, use your DIY moisture absorber, and, if needed, apply the mold removal spray to keep your home in top shape. If you found these tips helpful, don't hesitate to share them with friends and family. Mold may be persistent, but with these simple natural remedies, you can keep it out of your home for good. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home solutions. Let's tackle household problems together, one step at a time. Stay healthy and take care.